Welcome to our floating home on the water, Tigerlily. I'm Mariah, this is Colby, and these are our two cats, Numeria and Took. We're usually in the Sea of Cortez, but we're off for the season so we can work and do it all again next season. We hope you'll follow along and enjoy our adventures. Good job, bud. Coffee. Dookie. Now it's work time. Yesterday, I crocheted 3 scrunchies. I wanted a quick little project. I looked up a tutorial, and I think they're super cute. I've been in one of my rabbit holes lately of crocheting, and so yeah, this looked like a really simple, fun project to get me back into it. I always quit crocheting for like months at a time and then like get super back into it again. But I'm also going to be working all day. As you can see, my timer running. Let's go get dressed. Super out of my comfort zone. I'm showing my arms. This is a crop top. But I don't know, I feel really cute in this outfit. I like it. So, this is what I'm wearing today. I do have to work. So, I'll talk to you in a couple hours probably. Remember when I told you I was gonna pick you up when I did something more interesting? Well, that hasn't happened today. It's already 6 o'clock. And for some reason, work has been kicking me in and out of projects all day. So I finally have just got almost 5.5 consistent hours of work done today. I'm logging off for the day because I'm done. I'm over it. I'm done. I just went and put a couple of bug things outside, and then I'm gonna go outside and start crocheting another scrunchie. There is my new scrunchie. I need to finish it. But yeah, cute. Hello and welcome to Tuesday. It is 2 p.m. I have not gotten out of my pajamas today, but I was productive today. I just finished 5 hours of work. I crocheted 4 blue scrunchies, or they're like mint colored scrunchies, and they're super cute. And then I also crocheted 1.5 more granny squares for my granny square purse. So that, and then I'm currently working on this one, which I'm almost done with. And then I will put it on this side, and this will be just a purse. It'll be like a little purse. I don't know. I am at the pool. So I'm just gonna chill by the pool by myself, I guess, for a while because nobody's out here. And that is pretty sweet. I don't know what's happening over here on the other side of the pool. It looks like some kids threw some dish soap in the hot tub. I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with it. A ton of people just came into the pool, so I am leaving just in time for all of them to get here. Dookie. Wow, that is stinky. Woo. Made my eyes water a little bit. Go hit the beach, I think, today. Perfect out here. Look at this. Literally perfection. First things first, we got a tent that I need to figure out how to set up. I've never set it up. Can I figure it out? Also, the people that are near me are now looking at me because I'm filming myself, so that's fun. They said easy. It was less than easy. All right, we are back from the beach now, as you can tell. I've taken a shower and eaten dinner. And now I'm working on my crochet. I've started, I don't know if I showed you this one. I started making a market bag with this yarn that I made my pillow with, but I realized partway into making this, I do not have enough yarn for this whole market bag. So instead, I think I'm gonna frog this whole thing. And I bought this yarn a little while ago. This yarn is actually better. It looks better as a market bag. Anyways, but I think it's gonna be super cute. It's 6:05, which it's not that late. So I was looking at my weather app, and apparently starting on Thursday until the foreseeable future, literally Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, it all says rain. So I only have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I guess, to enjoy the sun and the weather. So I have 2 hours to work on my produce bag. Maybe we'll go watch the sunset. It's almost sundown. It's almost sundown. Sunrise. It's not sunrise. Sunset. Oh my God. Why could I not remember the name of sunset? Let's go drive down here and see if it's crowded. Okay, just got home. It is light enough. I'm just gonna go ahead and walk down to the beach because I really want to feel the sun between my toes. So let's go to the beach. pretty sure. I woke up at like 3 a.m. and could not get back to sleep. Anyways, it's too early. I'm not awake. There are things in the washer machine. I cannot wash my all white sheets right now. You know, you ever just have those days where you wake up and you're just like, nothing inherently is wrong. Like, I feel fine. I just, well, besides the fact that I'm so tired. Yeah, do you ever just have those days where you're just like, I don't feel like it right now. Okay, I'm gonna work for as many hours as I can handle it today. One day I'm gonna learn how to make a pot of coffee that's not too big for just myself. I like these shorts. I got these at a thrift store near me, but the pockets are like so shallow. Like, what am I supposed to fit in here? I don't know, but I like the color and they do go with the shirt. Kind of good. I'm gonna continue working. I'm currently making bao buns because I have chicken that I need to use. I also have a half a gallon of milk that needs to be used, and these bao buns in the dough and in the chicken need, oh, I gotta do the chicken after I do this too. Anyways, so in here I have flour, salt, and sugar. Add 1 packet of yeast. Yeast is not like salt. Salt kills yeast. So I keep it away from each other until it needs to be with each other. Excuse all of this. This whole kitchen is getting renovated in like a week. And again, I'll leave this recipe down below. Milk, water, butter. Stir together until the butter melts. The butter is already melted. Chopsticks, little hack. I've seen other people do it, or a knife. Just something sticky, stick-like. It kind of mimics a dough hook if you don't have a KitchenAid. So yeah, it makes like mixing the dough a lot easier than mixing it with like
Today, Junior?
a rubber spatula or something like that. I mix it in the bowl until it isn't mixable in the bowl anymore. Here's our dough, and we're gonna knead for 10 minutes. Oh, I didn't put a paper. All right, here's what our dough is looking like. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but if I poke my finger in, the indentation comes right back. And that's what we want. But I'm taking some oil. And, ooh, all right. Then we're gonna take our little dough and we're gonna make sure she's coated. So if it's not, it's gonna get like that weird crusty film on top of it, which not ideal. You perished while I was marinating the chicken, so you did not get to see that, but it's been 2 hours and our dough should be proofed. So is it? Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, she definitely doubled. Wants you to knead it one last time. I'm gonna separate this and I'm gonna try and get 20 buns out of this.
I had a friend that came to stay with me, and she has me. I was doing it. I don't want anyone to see me. I don't want to, you know.
I forgot to turn you back on. These have proofed for a second time. They are big. Instead of deep frying this time, I just don't feel like doing that. I'm gonna air fry, so instead of flour and all the seasonings, I'm doing breadcrumbs and all the seasonings. Probably like 12 minutes. All right, our bao is out of the steamer and it's looking very nice. Our sauce is back here boiling and our chicken is here. Waiting for the last batch of chicken to get done. Here are my main bao. I'm gonna go eat now. Bye.